Okay, here's my next video. I'm here at the park. I've been here before. That's 26th Street. This is Porter Street. And this is the Butterfly Garden and Overlook. And they built this about a year after the tornado as a memorial. And I'll go walk up in there for you, show you all the stuff. Now, like I said, I have been here before, but I don't think I got a close look at all this stuff for you. And they got the nice restrooms here. Here they got the lovely stairs. And on each of these things, they got engraved some stories. I don't know if this will work because it's actually engraved inside the metal here. You see that? It's like actually like inside the metal. You see that? So hopefully you guys can all read that. I don't know. I guess you could always put it on pause and read it if you want to. I'll just kind of slowly go over here. The pictures before and after. And it was right there, the hospital. Let me bring you to this one real quick. No pictures on that one. And they got 4 more. I'll just show it to you. Oh, this is the duration of it all and stuff like that. Yeah, this is actually, oh, you can see the map of Joplin. We are right, oh my gosh. Right here, we are right here on the map. And my house is like right like here. Anyways. And there's all that. There's the old Cunningham Park. The old Cunningham Park was a little more cluttered, but this is smoothed out a lot more. All right. Just get all of this. Hopefully you can read that. It's kind of funny. Sun's in the background. It's kind of messing it up. And this one right here, you'll just have to put it on pause. Okay, that's those. I'll just come walking through here. There's a little path. They don't have the water running, probably because of the COVID-19. And these trees will be blooming soon. It's nice to come here at nighttime because all these like little like black posts, see those black posts right there? They're all lit up. And it's nice and calm. You can come back here. See the tree. And the tree chair, I guess you could say. I don't know. You walk in over here, and they got water and lights coming out from the bottom of that at nighttime, and there's just water. It's really nice. Then they got water coming over this one at nighttime, and lights coming from the bottom there. You got this chair again with this looking chair. And then there's water coming constantly over this whole wall here. I don't know exactly what that means. It has to do something with the tornado. They got like a little like gouge. I think that's the time of the tornado. I don't know. And then you come around here. There's a little circle island you can go around. Now I'm going to go down there where they actually have the fountain and the names of the 161 people that died. I want to show you that, but first I want to show you the circle thing here. I'll just come down here real quick. See, they got this big old circle thing. And that big metal circle thing there. You got this. You got this right there. Now I'm going to come down to the fountain. They got that fountain closed off. It should be running right now, but probably because of the COVID, they don't want running water of some sorts. And here's this. It's empty. It should be full. Dedicated November 22nd, 2011. It's a fountain. And here are the names, and the lights are on at nighttime so you can see the names. I'll just go down in one at a time. Let's get 2 lines in here. I think we can. That sun's really messing it up. Yes. Okay. All right. There's that. All right, guys. Okay, that's the next video, and I'll be heading on to the next day's video. Thank you, guys.